Hello everyone, I hope you all are safe at home and taking good care of food and nutrition, because do remember, never before has your health and the food you eat been more important than it is today. The more you eat with thought and eat right, the stronger your fort and your innate immunity is going to help you ward off the disease and keep trouble at bay. Today I'm going to teach you how we make the age-old Kaada, which has all the healthy Indian herbs as well as spices that rev up your immunity. First on the list is curcumin, haldi. I have taken fresh haldi, which is the yellow and the orange fresh haldi. Curcumin being its active ingredient, which is antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, antimicrobial, and therefore boiling it and using that as a source helps improve your immunity. I'm adding a little bit of Tulsi or Basil leaves to it, fresh ginger again, which is great for our innate immunity. Pepper, the active ingredient in pepper, helps us absorb the active ingredient in haldi. See, that's how nature has made it so beautifully. So when you do them both together, you are able to not only enhance the absorption of the curcumin but also its effect on the body. Ajwain, methi and jeera, again, these are natural Indian spices which are great for digestive health. The healthier the gut flora in our large intestine are, the healthier we are, because they help us produce the happy hormones, reduce the stress hormones, and anything that reduces inflammation in our body is what safeguards our body. So we're going to put all of this into the kettle and boil it for a while till all the active ingredients are absorbed into the water, and we are going to have one shot of this piping hot Kaada. First thing in the morning, I have my girls drink it, so children can have it, my in-laws have it. So across all ages, it improves immunity. And are you aware that even your walls can have a protective effect in your house? Okay, so when our walls are damp, they manifest and hold in bacteria and fungus, which again affects our health and immunity. However, Berger home shields helps us protect our walls from fungus as well as bacteria, and by removing the dampness and therefore directly having an improvement in your health and immunity. Do visit their website to know more. Until then, guys, be safe, be aware, be happy, be positive, because we are going to beat this together.